Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Toolman. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today, I'm going to show you to make the Mandalorian whistling birds. I started out by taking a look at Mandalorian's whistling birds from the TV show. So it looks like Mandalorian has 12 whistling birds and they are mounted on his arm and they all spit out in different directions. I'm not sure if the different direction things will work, but the rest of it will. So this is my final design. I just took 3-inch pipe and used that as the body that goes on my arm. And then I took 2-inch pipe, cut it in half, and then angle cut it. On this top where I angle cut, I just took some scissors and cut out plastic and then drilled 6 holes for 6 straws that act as barrels. And then for this back piece, I took plastic, cut it out again so that it would fit on here. And then I put this 1/2-inch pipe on the inside by drilling a hole and then sealing everything. The main difference between Mandalorian's version and my version is 1, he has 12 whistling birds while I have 6, and then 2, his it looks like is made out of metal while mine is made out of PVC, but if I give it a good paint job, it should look pretty good. On the right, you can see the GoPro, and that did not work at all because I made gray bullets and I was shooting it at a gray wall, so you couldn't even see it because it was going so fast. So this thing actually worked pretty well. The only bad thing is this back part broke off after around the 6th shot. So if you're building this for yourself, I'd recommend doing either a stronger glue, so like Loctite, or just use like 3 layers of Gorilla Glue. And other than that, this thing looks pretty good. The only thing that I'm not a big fan of right now is this color. So we're gonna give it a quick paint job and then I'll be back with the completed design. Alright, so here's the final product. I'd say it looks pretty similar. It's not an exact replica, but it looks pretty similar and it does nearly the same thing as Mandalorian's. And now that we're in 2021, if you guys have any video ideas, please comment them below. I'd like to start off this year really well, and I think we already achieved that. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.